Hello and welcome back to goldstocktrades.com. Today we have with us Greg Johnson. Greg is CEO of Prophecy Platinum. Prophecy Platinum can be traded as NKL on the TSX Venture. Thanks, Greg, for being here with us today.
It's a pleasure to join you.
Greg, in the end of 2012, Prophecy Platinum, a new executive management team came on board. As president and CEO, what attracted you to the Prophecy Platinum story?
Well, there's a number of things that myself and the new team looked at when we were considering this. One of the things was the fact that we were putting in place a whole new team all at once. And so the opportunity for myself to join with professionals such as John Sagman, our new Chief Operating Officer, Jeffrey Mason, our new Chief Financial Officer, and our new corporate counsel, and to come on board at one time and really start to build a company that was going to take forward, one of the largest undeveloped platinum group metal deposits in the world was just an exceptional opportunity. There aren't many projects of this scale outside of South Africa, Zimbabwe, or Russia. The fundamentals of the platinum market, it's a very small market in general, but the fundamentals, particularly when you look at political risk, are striking, with about 93% of production coming from those three high-risk countries of South Africa, Zimbabwe, and Russia. And so a project of more than 7 million ounces of platinum, palladium, and gold, plus a couple of billion pounds of nickel and a couple of billion pounds of copper is really a fantastic opportunity to be working on. Already, the company has completed a first engineering study on this that shows this is a project that, as an open pit mine, could be one of the largest producing platinum and palladium mines in North America, maybe second to Stillwater's large mine in Wyoming. And so that combination of the assets and the scale of the assets, the potential production, and the fact that this team of professionals who've worked throughout North America and into the industry, and in particularly with John Sagman's experience in the platinum metals and working for the majors like Xstrata and Vale in platinum, really made this a very attractive opportunity.
Greg, let's talk about some of the milestones the company made in 2012.
Yeah, actually, in general, 2012 was a challenging year for the sector. This is the second year of correction and consolidation in terms of the share prices. And many companies, particularly in the north, didn't have a lot of exploration activity. Prophecy Platinum was one of the few companies to carry on a fairly aggressive campaign. We did about an 11,000-meter drill program on the project. That was a combination of drilling from the historic underground workings and from surface. A lot of that drilling was designed to continue to test the down dip and lateral extension of the deposit, as well as to gain a greater geologic understanding to the control of where we find the platinum and nickel and copper mineralization. We still have about another 15 drill holes or so to report, and those will be coming out over the next month or two. The team is actively working on refining the three-dimensional geologic model for the deposit, which is a key for us choosing the top priority holes for this coming season. And we would expect to kick off a fairly substantial drill campaign this summer season on the program that would be designed to come out with a new resource estimate on the project within about a year, and to be able to put out an updated engineering assessment with new estimates on the capital cost to build the project, the operating costs, and production levels. So there's a lot of work. It's going to be a very active year for us on our Wellgreen project in the Yukon, and I think there's going to be excellent news flow. And with this consolidation in the sector, now more than 2 years in the making, I think the opportunity that we're going to see a market that's responsive to positive news and activity is quite good. I think it's the outlook looks very, very good for Prophecy Platinum.
Well, Greg, thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to developments in 2013.
Well, thank you very much. We'll look forward to coming back and giving you an update.
you.